regarding the statement. One of them is...
My Lord.
One of them is it was only made this morning. That's how you remember that.
My Lord, may I put the court to the position where it is?
Yeah.
You are not a party in this proceedings.
No.
No, my Lord. You cannot descend into the arena. You are now descending to the arena? No, by reading the statement. That's not the prerogative of the court. That's not the prerogative of the court. This is not what is disclosed and held up properly in terms of the law. You can't do that. You are descending under into the arena. Yes, madam. Please, if so, please, it's the court.
I'm sure you're there. 186.
No, I know 167. I know 167. And we can read the 186.
Okay. Any document which is signed around in court, this court is entitled to have access.
But it must make provision if a witness is under.
186 to you, asking you, do you know about 186?
No, madam. You said yes. But I won't allow the statement to be read now. Not that I'm running away from the paragraph 6. It does not comply with the requirements to prove the originality and the authenticity of the document.
Yes, go on.
Let's proceed, Mr. Lieutenant.
Sorry, my lord. If I can say something.
Yeah.
I take offense in what the defense has just said now about writing tickets and what. This is a court. This is not a boxing ring. And he must take his emotions somewhere. Here I'm here to answer and to respond to his questions. So if he feels that maybe I'm so undermined in that fashion, like I said before, it was said in this court and he's repeating it. I take offense in it. That he must know. He must keep his emotions to himself.
Let me just put it this way. I won't enter into any dialogue with you. If I say I'm not going to proceed on a statement, then you want to insist on paragraph 6, you are undermining me. I'm the one who asked the statement to go to you. You are undermining me. So hence I retracted that statement. I was not expecting anything from that statement. So you want to read the statement by force. You are undermining me. Said, before you even said that, I said I don't want to, I'm not going to ask any question from that statement. So he insists, he wants to read paragraph 6. There's non-compliance with that statement. That's the reason why I'm saying that statement, I'm not going to use it now. So you want to insist and say paragraph 6. I'm not going to use it anymore. I'm going to submit that everything that is said.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Masa, for all those who do not know me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us on yet another video. And if it is your first time here, you're very much welcome on this platform. Please do kulul your bag and feel at home. Now, if you have not subscribed, I do kindly ask that you click the subscribe button. By doing so, you do help this channel to grow in numbers. Now, also, I do kindly ask that you like this video. By doing so, you do help this video to actually reach more people. Thank you so much for watching the ads. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I know that they can be boring, but by doing so, you do help me to grow financially on this platform. Thank you so much for watching the previous videos. In this video, we are talking about Mngomezulu calling out the witness as well as Judge Ratha in court today, the 28th of May 2024, in the Senzo Meyiwa Murder Trial. Now, the witness wants to be respected by Mngomezulu. I do want to say this. I do notice that Mngomezulu is a bit harsh. I think he's probably annoyed by the fact that, according to him, the witnesses come to the stand not to tell the truth. You know, they have fabricated the, the truth, and they're coming up with anything to actually support their case, such that they are not telling the truth. So Mngomezulu is annoyed by this. However, the witness as well, he's actually bringing up the fact that I am experienced. I know what I'm doing in my field. So you're not gonna come here and disrespect me because I am in court. Mngomezulu comes again also, he fires shots and says, you know what, I also have more than 30 years experience within my field. So we have to respect each other. Don't bring the issue of you being experienced. Right now, you are in court. He's actually calling him out that right now you are in court. You are not out there writing traffic fines. You have to tell the truth. And, the witness did not take this well, and he was so annoyed. But unfortunately, he's in court. He has to tell the truth. And Mngomezulu addresses the court and he says, you know what, this is boring. Witnesses coming here to lie. There were 2 witnesses that came before this one, and they've been telling nothing but lies, and now they're bringing this one, the 3rd one, to come and add more spice into the podcast. Those were actually his words. Now, Judge Ratha, in fact, Mngomezulu, there's a statement that he does not want to be used in court because he's actually questioning the authenticity, or let me say ngesixhosa, he's actually questioning ubunyani baso okanye how real it is, because he's questioning the commissioner, whoever was commissioning that, I think it's an affidavit. Now, the witness wants this statement to be used in court. He wants to talk about this statement. Mngomezulu is saying, you know what, I'm telling you that I don't want it to be used. You are actually the one who's disrespecting me right now. As we do know, Judge Ratha, he will come, into the defense of the state, and he will start, according to what other people are saying, seeking clarity. And he says, you know what, I do want, as the court, I do want this statement to be, I want us to talk about it. Mngomezulu says, you know what, I think I need to address the court. Now he's addressing Judge Ratha. He says to him, you are not a party in these proceedings. Then it starts heating up. They start exchanging, and he calls him, he puts him into his place that, you know what, you need to understand that you are not a party, you are a court. And what you need to do right now, it is to listen to both the defense and the state bringing, their evidence in front of the court. So you shouldn't come here interfering. And we've been watching Judge Ratha doing this, trying to seek clarity. And at some point, I thought maybe he was trying to show some tough love to the defense team. But I feel like Judge Ratha really needs to keep quiet and listen. He needs to sit down and actually listen and be the court. Now, with Mngomezulu, with the experience that he has within the legal field, I think he actually knows what he's doing. He actually knows why he's calling out Judge Ratha. And this guy has been exposed to the proceedings for quite some time now. So I think when he calls out Judge Ratha, he actually knows what he is doing. You want to say, I do clap hands for Mngomezulu for doing that. And as someone, if you have been to court, you will see that there are judges who actually do that to legal practitioners, who actually treat them like kids. I think the most important thing, in as much as this is your court, you need to respect each other. That's it. You need to respect each other. You should not show some biasness or whatever. But just tell me what you think with regards to what Mngomezulu did by calling out Judge Ratha. Do you think these are things that, do you think that it was actually justified? Judge Ratha needs to be called out? Or do you really, because I did see on my other video that people are saying Judge Ratha is just seeking clarity because the defense team is just coming here trying to change, things that are put in front of the court because it wants to benefit them. Just tell me what you think with regards to what happened in court today. I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching until the end.